Welcome friends to another embroidery tutorial project. I've dropped 2 tutorial videos in one day. Can you guys believe that? That's pretty wild. Today we will cover all the embroidery steps needed to complete your Stellar Leaves project, plus a few other details like assembling the 3D star paper panel. Quick reminder, you could purchase this pattern and many other wooden paper embroidery patterns, and I'm also offering the paper cutouts for projects like today. The link to my shop will be in the comments below. Plus, I'll also have links to other supplies, including the paper embroidery awl, so check that out. Now let's get started on today's project, Stellar Leaves. If you're making the 3D star, please skip to this timestamp before embroidering. There's a specific order you need to follow to make your star. For this pattern, you could print directly to your paper, or you could transfer the pattern as I will show you here. If you can print directly to the paper, I recommend doing it that way, and there is no need to worry about the print line showing. The thread does a really good job of hiding it. I'm using a piece of styrofoam as a cushion. Align your print to your paper, take your awl and begin piercing your paper. This pattern uses the ultrafine needle for most holes, except for a few where there will be multiple thread passes. For those holes, we will use the fine needle. Take a look at your pattern details for more information. For the pattern to make more sense, take a pencil and lightly draw some lines. If you printed the pattern on your paper, you don't need to deal with this step. I want to mention quickly that the pattern has a top point. The portion looks like this. This is the top and will be the section I'll be working on. The first elements we should stitch are all the lines inside the leaves. These are straight stitches using 2 strands. When done, you can move on to the rest of the pattern. The shapes of the leaves are stitched using backstitch, and all the stems are straight stitches. All these elements use 4 strands. Everything is pretty simple and will move quickly, but I want to highlight a detail on the leaves. The center line is a straight stitch that goes from the tip to the base of the leaf shape. And there you go, you just need to continue and finish up the rest of the pattern with those stitches. Now let's move on to the construction of the 3D star. You will need your front and your backer. You would either print and cut yourself or purchase the cutouts from my shop. You first need to score the line shown here. Take a ruler and a bone fold and score away. Then pierce all the holes. I actually lost the footage for this part, but trust me, pierce all the holes before you move on. Then fold all the lines you previously scored. The more dramatic 3D effect, the more firm you should make your fold. After you're done folding, you will need to complete your embroidery. For the sake of time, I will not be embroidering this sample, but you need to. When all the embroidery is done, we could attach the backer. The backer will have small markings to help you center your 3D star. I've made multiple of these pieces, and I can guarantee you, none are perfectly centered, so don't beat yourself up if it's a little off. Just ensure you align the top of the star to the top of the backer. The top of the backer has a hole for the cord. Add glue to the top tabs and press down for the glue to bond. After you have the first point glued down, glue the rest. And that's it. Attach a cord and we're done. I hope you enjoy this new pattern. There are so many fun opportunities to be creative with it. One last reminder, all the links are in the video description. If you enjoyed this tutorial or simply want to support me, please subscribe to my channel. All the support is greatly appreciated. Alrighty now, until next time, bye.